This is feedback for Danah WR1. When I'm looking at your essay, I see a lot of things that I gave you advice on in your first essay that you didn't change. So if you're going to not watch the videos and make the changes, I'm going to stop making the videos, because a lot of these things that I'm talking about that I'm going to say in this is your first essay here, and you know, a lot of things that I said here are still in this essay. And if you're not going to be making changes, I'm not going to be making videos for you anymore. First of all, delete this, delete that. That should be Mr. Kamal. First letter of the title should be capital. I told you delete this. It should be plural, universities. And you start well here, but then give me some more. Some of the questions that you can answer here in your essay, your intro. How many students study abroad in Kuwait? How much does it cost for students to study abroad in Kuwait? In other countries from Kuwait? What are some of the effects of students that come back? You know, you can talk about the effects of when they come back. They, you know, are they good? Are they bad? You know, what happens? And then go into your essay, your thesis. And you need to add something here. Instead of just saying the first cause is education, what kind of education? A good education? Be specific. And here, I think instead of saying stay with family, I think that's so too specific. Here, you want to be more general. So say comfort, right? Because if you say comfort, then you could say in this paragraph, in your second paragraph, you could talk about how, you know, how easy it is to be at home. You don't have to worry about cooking. You don't have to worry about cleaning. You don't have to worry about, you know, paying bills and stuff. Whereas if you stay abroad, you do have to worry about those things. So all that stuff could be here. And again, your topic sentences are way off. This should be the second major cause of studying Kuwait is, and you need to actually say something here, is comfort. Right? That should be there. The first major cause of studying Kuwait is good educational opportunities. That should be here. So that needs to change. And this is way too short. You need to add some more examples here. I told you about that in the first, so I'm not going to go into it again, the first video. So watch that first video again. Same thing here. I know I said this in your first video. That's not a topic. This is not a correct way. You should be saying comfort and good education are the main two reasons for studying, the causes of studying Kuwait. And make those changes, upload into week 5, and print it out and bring it on Thursday.